guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about how to start minting your own NFT collections on OpenSea. So it's gonna be a very interesting video if you're starting your journey with NFT, and make sure to stick till the end. And as usual, this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on OpenSea. First and foremost, you will find here that for a limited time we have dropped our OpenSea fees to 0%. So you might need to make sure to snatch the opportunity here because the fees are 0 from OpenSea side. So what's OpenSea in general and what's NFT? First of all, let's start with what's NFT. NFT, simply speaking, is a piece of art or non-fungible token. NFT, non-fungible token, and it's stored on the blockchain, meaning that it has to do with cryptocurrency and it has to do with the metaverse. Everything is just interrelated and interconnected. So bear with me here for a while. OpenSea is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, marketplace for NFTs. You probably heard about OpenSea maybe last year or even this year. OpenSea has been quite competitive and OpenSea has improved over the time. You know that OpenSea is big, and it's actually one of the biggest, if not the biggest, because of the quality you will find here and the accessibility and ease of use you will find with OpenSea. As you can see here, it's beautifully laid out and many people are familiar with that. You will find major projects on OpenSea. Bored Ape Yacht Club, of course, you heard about ApeCoin, you heard about this project. You'll find that this project is just having a floor price of 77.5 Ethereum per NFT. One NFT, one picture or one piece of art worth 77.5 Ethereum, and multiply that by the price of Ethereum, so you can imagine how much of a volume we're talking about here. We're talking about $6.8 or so billion of volume. Things are moving massively in the NFT marketplace, not only on OpenSea but in general. The NFT market is just booming right now and things starting to pick up once more. So as you can see here, you will find that things are beautifully laid out. Many genres here, many directions for arts, many tastes, many photographical kind of hobbies and directions you can go for. You can find cartoons, you can find 3D art, you can find 2D arts, photography, whatever you like, you will definitely find it on OpenSea. Bored Ape Yacht Club, let's have it as an example. You know, that's pieces of art for monkeys, and as you can see here, the floor price 77.5 Ethereum. So let's start by answering the question, how to start minting on NFT if you're a creator and you want to put your collection out there. Well, first of all, you will need to go and create an account, and by creating an account you need to connect your wallet. So simply speaking, you just click here, connecting your wallet. It's quite simple and straightforward. You'll find MetaMask, you'll find Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, Ledger, Phantom, Bitkeep, and even more. You can show more and you can scroll here through all the different options, but generally speaking, the variety of people using NFT marketplaces, they're usually using MetaMask and Coinbase wallet for the sake of ease of use and how the things are going well with these wallets. MetaMask is the favorite and most popular option over here. You can find it even popular, and not only on OpenSea, that's in general for the NFT marketplaces. You will find only, or most likely you will find MetaMask, and MetaMask is a great place also to store your cryptocurrency and store your NFTs. You need to store your NFTs in a wallet, and that can be MetaMask. So after you connected your wallet, you can just go here and go for create. In order for you to create, of course, you need to connect your MetaMask, and just once you do so, you will find create, and you can follow simple steps to start creating a collection. And it's just a matter of uploading some pictures on your device. I mean, you can create a painting or the artwork on an iPad or on a PC, or even you scan some pictures and then you can upload them here. You can just click create, and it's a pretty simple and straightforward process. You can create it here, and then the minting will start. Minting will involve some fees. Essentially, there are some gas fees if you're using Ethereum as the governing protocol for your minting, and if you're alternatively using Polygon, you will find it 0. Speaking of chains here or protocols, you will find Ethereum, one of the most popular, but Ethereum has higher gas fees. So they added Polygon, which doesn't have any gas fees, and during the minting process, actually the buyer bears all the costs, meaning you as a creator, you don't have to worry much about minting fees or gas fees or whatever. The buyer bears all the costs. There is also some royalties here if you want to take percentage of royalty, meaning that when someone buys this piece of art and resells it again with a higher price, you will always have some some small percentage of this ownership because it's your own creation and your own art. Many major artists are using the NFT marketplace now to have even more accessibility and more opportunity in the marketplaces here for NFTs, and things are going well and people are doing extremely well in terms of how they are exposing their artwork to the world. Many new talents are arising here, so I would say if you're a talent, check the links down below and start looking for good opportunities for you to be more visible and to interact more with the online realm of creating your artwork and selling and even having royalty for your artwork. So simply speaking here, to reiterate how to start minting, you just simply go here and connect your wallet. After you connect your wallet, you're just gonna go to create, and it's just a simple fact of dropping the NFTs or the pieces of art over here. Of course, you can also adjust the language. If English is not your mother language, you can choose multiple language here: English, Spanish, German, French, Japanese or Chinese, I don't know, Korean, and some to Japanese. Anyway, so you can have a lot of flexibility with OpenSea, and that's one of the reasons why it's so popular and why it's so favorable for many people to start using OpenSea as the first start for you in the NFT marketplace or the NFT world. Then probably OpenSea can be a perfect option for you. Ease of use, easily connectable, and things are quite secure also on marketplace such as OpenSea. It's well trusted, it's been around for a while, and it's proving and improving itself every single day. Of course, you know, the community here on OpenSea is quite big. You can find them on Twitter, you can find them on Instagram, Discord, whatever. You can find them even on YouTube. So the community on Twitter is growing quite exponentially here, and you will find that they are also followed by major names in the market. They are based in New York, and there's currently 1.9 million followers, and the users on OpenSea is just millions and millions of users, and with a trade volume exceeding billions of dollars every single day, you can expect that these projects will have their own chance of being more exposed and being more accessible to people. As you can see here, multiple tastes of artwork and design. You can see 3D, you can see painting, you can see simple, abstract, whatever you like, you will definitely find it on OpenSea, and you can also have some inspiration for your pieces of artwork, and it's a very simple and straightforward process putting your first NFT over here. So guys, in summary, we went through how to start your NFT collection or your NFT creation on OpenSea. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You just need to connect your wallet and follow simple steps, and you can start minting your first NFT on OpenSea. And I would highly advise you to check the link down below and start your own journey and see how it will lead you. People are making a lot of money and a lot of profit and a lot of great collections on OpenSea, and with NFT, it's the future, and check it out. As usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and see you next one. Bye bye.